In this oil to gas conversion video, we're going to show you how we convert an old oil boiler, an inefficient one that provides hot water, into two separate high efficiency gas units. One's going to provide heat and the other one is going to be in the form of a tankless hot water system, high efficiency tankless hot water system. The reason we're doing this is because in this boiler room there's very little room to install a hot water tank, and so we're going to be using this approach to maximize space as well as provide savings to the customer. We start our oil to gas conversion by putting down on paper a gas piping arrangement of what's required to run this hot water system as well as the hot water boiler. And so here's a copy of it. And here you can see the piping that we did, and this gas piping goes all the way back to where the boiler is, and the utility company put in a larger meter because of the higher gas consumption that's required by the tankless hot water heater as well as the boiler. What you see here is a Burnham ES2 boiler, hot water boiler, that's a consumer Best Buy. And also we have a very high efficiency condensing tankless water heater made by Navien, and you will see this installed. At this point in time we have completed the tankless water heater, and you can see where the intake and exhaust PVC piping is connected. This actually goes out into the backyard, and it's sloped down so that any condensation will run back into the tankless hot water unit, and then it gets pumped out by this condensation pump. With dual piping, we like to arrange ours this way. As you can see, a certain amount of distance has to be between the intake and the exhaust pipe. We also like this arrangement because if a wind comes along and enters the exhaust pipe, it could create problems. So with this arrangement, we feel that it's better protected from wind. And again, we want to make sure that the distance between the windows for the exhaust is appropriate, as well as the distance from the ground to prevent snow accumulation. Now, with the water heater installed, the tankless water heater, and the old furnace removed, you can see how much room is opening up. There's plenty of room in here. Prior to this, the utility company said it was impossible to put in a water heater here along with a gas boiler due to lack of space. But as you can see, the way we approach this with a tankless water heater, there will be plenty of space. As we move this gas boiler back a little more, there'll be plenty of room here. So what somebody else think may be impossible, come to us for a solution to your oil to gas conversion, and not only we'll give you a perfect job, but one that's also affordable and also of quality.